Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Anaconda Prompt safely step by step clearly. To uninstall Anaconda Prompt safely, begin by saving your work. Close all applications that may be using Anaconda. Open the Start menu on your computer. Type Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Control Panel, select Programs. Click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs. Locate Anaconda in the list. Click on Anaconda to select it. Press the Uninstall button at the top of the list. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Yes to confirm the uninstallation. Follow the prompts in the uninstaller to complete the process. Once the uninstallation is finished, close the uninstaller window. Restart your computer to ensure all changes are applied. After rebooting, check if Anaconda Prompt is still present. If it is not listed, the uninstallation was successful. You have now safely uninstalled Anaconda Prompt from your computer. Make sure to delete any remaining Anaconda folders if necessary. This helps ensure that all related files are removed completely. Ensure your system is functioning correctly after the uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.